Myself CS Patel from MCGM Virtual Class welcome all of you. Due to the global pandemic, this year's educational session is being affected. In such a situation, our Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has taken an initiative to provide every student online education. So let's get started. Standard 8th. Yes, you are seeing my English book 8, Standard 8. So today's subject English. And students, we will learn today grammar section, and in that we will see degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. So students, myself CS Patel from Virtual Training Center, Dadar, Mumbai. So now let's start. Degree of comparison of adjectives. See the example. Yatin is strong. Yatin is strong. Amit is stronger than Yatin. See students, two examples are there. Yatin is strong. Second, Amit is stronger than Yatin. And see the third example. Praveen is the strongest of all. See three examples. Yatin is strong. Amit is stronger than Yatin. And Praveen is strongest of all. Okay students, now see further. Our degree of comparison of adjectives. Yatin is strong. Amit is stronger than Yatin. Praveen is strongest of all. So students, in this sentence, in sentence 1, the adjective strong is in its simple form. It is called positive degree. Yatin is strong. Okay students, so this is strong is adjective and it is in simple form. So Yatin is strong and strong is in simple form. Okay, so students, yes, it is called positive degree. So strong is positive degree. Keep in your mind. Okay, now see the second sentence. Amit is stronger than Yatin. In the second sentence, adjective stronger refers to a higher degree when there is a comparison of two nouns. It is called a comparative degree. See, Amit is stronger than Yatin. So students, you are seeing that here is comparison of two nouns. Amit is stronger than Yatin. So it is called comparative degree. It is called comparative degree. So students, see, ER is added to the basic adjective and the basic adjective is strong, and you are seeing ER is added there. So Amit is stronger than Yatin. Okay, so it is called comparative degree. So first, already we have read positive degree, and yes, you are seeing comparative degree. Amit is stronger than Yatin. Okay, so keep in your mind students, degree of comparison of adjectives. So in the third sentence, Praveen is the strongest of all. In the first sentence, we have seen Yatin is strong. In the second sentence, Amit is stronger than Yatin. And in third sentence, Praveen is the strongest of all. In sentence third, the adjective strongest refers to the highest degree of comparison of one with more than two nouns. Yes, so Praveen is the strongest of all. Means students, yes, you are seeing the highest degree of comparison, strongest. Yes, comparison of one with more than two nouns. Yes, it is called superlative degree. Yes, we add est. Yes, est is added to the basic adjective at the last. Yes, students, so we have seen positive degree, comparative degree, and now superlative degree. Yes, so we add the generally before superlative degree. Yes, we will see the strongest. Now students, a quick look positive, comparative and superlative degree. So students, just a quick look. We will practice further to kind, kinder, kindest, healthy, healthier, healthiest, near, nearer, nearest, fine, finer, finest, early, earlier, earliest, small, smaller, smallest, fast, faster, fastest, high, higher, highest. Okay, so keep in your mind, we will practice this activity. Yes, here. Okay, so fill in the gap in the table of degrees of comparison. So positive, comparative and superlative, you will see only one. Yes, you have to complete. Yes, others. So see students, yes, positive and comparative you have to find, superlative given kindest. Okay, so yes, keep in your mind. Yes, kind, kinder, kindest. Okay, kind, kinder, kindest. Okay students, now comparative is given there, healthier is there, and you have to found yes positive and superlative. Yes, you have to find yes healthy, healthier is given, and healthiest, healthy, healthier, healthiest, healthy, healthier, healthiest. Okay, and near is given positive degree, you have to find comparative and superlative degree. Near, yes, nearer and nearest, near, nearer, nearest. Okay, comparative degree, yes, finer is given, and you have to find positive and superlative. Fine, finer and finest. Okay, earliest is given there, earliest is given there. So in superlative degree you have to find positive and comparative. Yes, earliest is there, so early, earlier, earliest. Okay students, see early, EARLY, and in earlier just remove Y and add IER, and in earliest IEST. Yes, early, earlier, earliest. So keep in your mind. Small is given there, small, smaller, smallest, small, smaller, smallest. Okay, faster is given there, comparative, you have to add positive and superlative. Fast, faster, fastest. Yes, high, positive degree is there. Yes, add comparative and superlative. Higher, highest. Yes, high, higher, highest. Okay, now you have completed the table. Now students, see further. Adjectives which have more than two syllables, means long words, take more and most before them to form comparative and superlative degrees. For examples, successful, successful, positive degree. See students, more than 2 syllables, successful, successful. Okay, so positive degree, more successful, comparative degree, most successful. Yes, positive degree is successful, more successful and most successful, right? तो successful positive degree, more successful comparative degree and most successful superlative degree. So keep in your mind, successful positive degree, more successful comparative degree and most successful is superlative degree, right? Yes, so keep in your mind. Give the comparative and superlative form of, yes, positive, comparative and superlative. So yes, positive is given ancient. Okay students, so comparative more ancient and superlative most ancient. So more than 2 syllable words, yes, so you have to use just like more ancient, most ancient, more and most. See the next word, special. Yes, comparative degree more special, superlative degree most special. So special, more special, most special. Significant, significant, more significant and most significant. Significant, more significant and most significant. Advanced, more advanced and most advanced. Advanced, more advanced, most advanced. Accurate, more accurate and most accurate. Accurate, more accurate and most accurate. Okay, so keep in your mind. Students, if I say about rules means नियम, यदि पॉजिटिव डिग्री के अंतिम कॉन्सोनेंट यानी व्यंजन से पहले कोई वावेल या स्वर, तो बच्चों कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में ER और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में EST बढ़ाने से पहले अंतिम अक्षर को 2 बार यानी डबल लिखते हैं. कैसे लिखते हैं ये देख सकते हैं. जैसे बच्चों बिग, यस बिग, तो देखिए स्टूडेंट्स बिग में G जो कॉन्सोनेंट है उसके पहले I वॉवेल है, तो किस तरह से इसे डबल यानी देखिए बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट, राइट. तो लास्ट में किस तरह से अक्षर को डबल कर दिया जाता है. बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. बिग पॉजिटिव डिग्री, बिगर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री एंड बिगेस्ट सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. हॉट, हॉटर, हॉटेस्ट. हॉट, हॉटर, हॉटेस्ट. सैड, सैडर, सैडेस्ट. थिन, थिनर, थिनेस्ट. वेट, वेटर, wettest. Right students, so keep these rules in your mind. Students, we'll see some rules here. कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स को कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री बनाने में दिए गए नियमों में से कोई नियम लागू नहीं होता. जैसे बच्चों गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, ये तीनों ये लगा आप देखते हैं. बैड, वर्स, वर्स. मच, मोर, मोस्ट, राइट्स. तो यहाँ पे जो हम रूल्स की बात कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे रूल्स नहीं लागू होते और ये टोटली तीनों अलग होते हैं. राइट स्टूडेंट्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, सब्सक्राइब BMC चैनल and press the bell icon to get all notifications. Students, we have completed today's session, so work hard. We will meet later. Thank you very much.